Okay friends, I've decided to take on this project. This is a rack and it's meant to hold up chairs. You hold chairs on either side. However, if you can see, the rack is bent and I don't know, like probably a vehicle put it there and bent it. If you can tell on the video, this part is also coming out. It's cracked up. It's also coming out there, and so the whole thing is like wobbly and shaky, so we need to fix it and get back to where it was. In order to straighten it out, because the metal is kind of thick, I wouldn't have been able to bend it or heat it up and bend it and it'd be proper, so I just cut it out and then I'm going to sand it down or grind it down and then put it back the way it should be. So you'll see where I welded there, and now all the wheels are on the ground. But when I did that, I realized that this bar, this whole frame here is bent. So bending this on your own is difficult, so this is a trick I usually do. I tied one end there and then I pulled on here until it's straightened, so that rope is holding it, and then I'm using this level to check to see that it's straight, which it is now. So now that it's straightened, you can see this part here where I had originally cut it out. Now to straighten it, this is a bad piece. I have the choice of either welding some metal from here to here or putting back this and then reinforcing it. Not sure what I'll do yet. Let's see. Okay, so you can see where I welded it back using different pieces of metal. This is actually angle iron from a bed frame. I don't like to throw away metal, because besides being valuable, you can never know when you need it. So I just cut out this and continue to make triangles to reinforce this. While this is strong on its own, I always like to make things doubly sure. That's how it normally would look without that, and this when it's reinforced. So now you can see where I put some corner brackets and basically finished it up. So now it can be used to carry chairs. We're here in the theater and you can see how my fix works in carrying the chairs. They all go stacked like this on both sides, and now it will work good.